and girls, are you ready to go behind the barn door and see this cute little baby horse and its mother?
Hey, Wilbur.
Hi there.
How you doing?
Hi. What's your name, big boy? What's your name, huh? This is a therapy horse. And what'd you say he does?
Fjord. He teaches kids how to ride, like kids and adults.
Oh, they get on his back to ride, boys and girls. He's used as therapy, so they find love and kindness, especially through animals.
Like we have children with like PTSD and autism and
Oh.
nonverbal.
Wow. And his name is? Loki. Loki, I love you. I knew you were special, Loki. This is another therapy horse. The boys and girls, yes you do. Yes you do. They ride on your beautiful back. Look at his back, boys and girls. Yes. Boys and girls get to ride on him.